Hi everyone, we are going to start some series of questions. These questions will be the tricky question which will help you to think out of the box. This will definitely will help you to crack your exam easily. For example, first question, the rectangle is inscribed in a quarter circle as shown in figure below. Determine the length of the E and B. We know that this is the arc length of the circle and every point in this arc has equidistance from the center, which is this one. This is the center. Okay. And we know that if we can find the radius, we can find the value of E and the value of B. So this one is the radius, which is equals to R, and this one is also the radius, which is also the R. If we can find the radius, we can find the value of A and B, because in first case, radius is equals to 12 meter plus A, and in second case, R is radius is equals to 9 meter plus B. So how we can find the radius? This is the main point. I will suggest to stop the video here and find the radius. Okay, if you cannot find the radius, I will help you to find the radius. For example, this is the center, and from center to this point is the radius. Okay, if we draw a line from here to here, we will have the height, or you can say that perpendicular. Similarly, length from here to here is the base. This is the height, this is the base of the right angle triangle, which with the angle 90 here. And we know that the side opposite to the 90-degree is the hypotenuse. And we already have the information of h, which is equals to the 12 meter, and we have the base, which is 9 meters. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the value of radius. So side opposite to the 90 angle is the hypotenuse, and we know that hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the square of the other sides, which is base square plus perpendicular square. So base in this case is 9 meters, so 9 square plus perpendicular is the height, which is 12 meters, so 12 square, and hypotenuse is the r, so radius square. So for the solving, we will have r square is equal to 81 plus 144. So r square is equal to 225 and square root both sides. So we will have r is equal to plus minus 15. And we know that the radius is the distance and it should be positive. So we will say r is 15 meter. That was the radius. Now, using the information of radius, we can find the value of a. So 15 is equal to 12 plus a, and a is equal to 3 meter. And in this case, 15 is equal to 9 plus b, and b is equal to 6 meter. I hope you enjoyed this question, and next time we will solve this question. Okay, we need to find the value of radius in this case. I will suggest to take the picture and try to solve it by yourself first. Thank you very much for watching my videos.